Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add friends online by QR code. So first of all, launch open Line application. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll lead to this kind of interface. So if you want to add the friends, it is actually very simple. In the home interface, you'll be able to see the search bar. Right next to it, you'll be able to see the QR code icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to scan the QR code. If you have the photo of the QR code, you can simply tap on the photo icon. After you do that, simply upload the photo of the QR code and you'll be able to add the friend. Otherwise, you can simply place the scanner in front of that particular QR code. After you do that, you can see over here the QR code will be scanned and you'll be able to see that particular profile over here. You'll simply have to tap on it. This user is already added in mine. Otherwise, you'll be able to find the option for add. Simply tap on it and the friend will be added. So that is how you add friend online app by QR code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.